From Apple Valley News Now, First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Josh Colbreth.
Welcome back to Good Morning Northwest. Today is going to be another beautiful day out there. Lots of sunshine and high temperatures that are going to be similar to what we had for yesterday, with 80s and 90s for lower elevations, right around 90 for the Tri-Cities, 60s up in the Cascades, and 60s and 70s in the Blue Mountains. In terms of the wind gusts, a little bit stronger for today. Definitely not the strongest winds we've seen this summer, but they could gust around 35 miles per hour in the Kittitas Valley, so that would bear some relevance to the containment efforts of that Sun Country fire there burning just outside of South Cle Elum. And then for tonight, clear skies and overnight lows going to be down into the 50s for lower elevations, a little bit cooler compared to what we have for this morning. 40s in the Cascades and 40s and 50s in the Blues. Then for tomorrow, if we're really splitting hairs, technically maybe like a degree or two hotter, maybe a little bit hotter for the mountains for sure, but for lower elevations, maybe just 1 to 2 degrees hotter, but still fairly normal high temperatures for the middle to later portions of August. The wind gusts going to be much lighter this time, and where we do see gusts, they'll be out of the north and east, so that's going to bring some pretty dry air into the region. All right, we still have several days of the fair to go. The nicest days to go are going to be on Wednesday and Thursday. It's not going to be as hot. Friday is going to be the pivot. Then we'll be up around 100 degrees for Saturday. Thankfully, some breezes for both of those days, Friday and Saturday, to help us cool off just a little bit. But you see, normal high temperatures today and tomorrow, the pivot on Friday, and then up around 100 degrees in the Tri-Cities for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Hopefully, we'll start to trend a little bit cooler after that. In terms of rain chances, not much doing. There is a little chance of a thunderstorm up in the Cascades for Monday, but other than that, this forecast is going to stay dry. Here is the 7-day forecast for the Tri-Cities. Low 90s today and tomorrow, mid 90s Friday, then around 100 Saturday through Tuesday. In Yakima, stuck in the 80s over the next couple days, then a whole bunch of 90s Friday through Tuesday. In Ellensburg, windy today, calmer winds after that, but highs will jump up into the mid 90s starting on Saturday. In Hermiston, highs hover around 90 today and tomorrow, then run at 100 degrees this weekend and to start next week. Finally, for Walla Walla, heating up into the weekend with lots of sunshine. Granted, there could be a few more clouds on Sunday, and that's how you know the weather's really boring when I start talking about the clouds.